1969 Chevrolet Chevelle two-door hardtop here at Unique, especially in classics. You'll see some SS badging on it, not representing this as an SS, so let's go tribute. Underneath the hood, 454, bored 40 over. That was rebuilt in 2020, has less than 5,000 miles on it. Tranny was gone through in 2022. That's a built-up TH350 with a 2800 stall, and there's miscellaneous receipts for that, as well as some rear coil springs, US mag wheels, the Cooper Cobra radials. Those were done in 2020 also. Let's take a look at the bright work. Grille, headlight surrounds up front. You'll be able to see still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, down below in the description, click on the link. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. There's the US mag wheels I was talking about, the Cooper Cobra radials. As far as paint, it shows its age a little bit. There's kind of some of the real small fisheyes in the black. Overall though, car that's going to turn heads. Wait till we fire this up. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Be a fun one. And 69, always a popular year in these. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats, horseshoe shifter, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See a little previous work that was done as far as body up on that sail panel. Notice that on the driver's side too. Chrome in the rear, looking good. Dual exhaust. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. Does have newer sway bar and links. Rear upper control arms are newer axle and wheel seals, wheel cylinders, new fuel tank and trunk floor, and you'll be able to see that all in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like the late 60s muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, either right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person, or online, of course. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. This car is equipped with power steering, power brakes. We'll pop the hood, check out that engine bay in just a bit, and stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take it for a drive also. Take a good look at the vinyl seats. There'll be plenty of pictures of the interior and with the rest of the still pics. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. We have an aftermarket tack, electric fuel pump. Again, 454, bored 40 over. Has aluminum heads on it. I believe it was a double pumper. Tack's working. Oil pressure gauge, water temp. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up. Top of the dash. Come up the headliner. Not too bad. Coming out of that big block. Let's go check it out. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get the hood open. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and that big block. So Edelbrock intake intake manifold. Like I said, looks like double pumper on there, HEI ignition, aluminum heads, power steering, power brakes. And again, 454, Ford 40 over, less than 5,000 miles, done in 2020. So miscellaneous receipts that will go with it. Any questions? Consult with your sales associate. Call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle in red with black racing stripes. This has the horseshoe automatic shifter right here on the center console. Our turn signal indicators are working. Very nice acceleration, lovely throttle response, and the note coming out of that tailpipe is very nice. One of those that makes you want to play with it just to hear it. Now the speedometer says I'm doing 70, but I'm actually doing probably 50, 55. So that's a little off. Our tachometer by SunTune is showing 2,000 RPM. Fuel gauge showing a half of a tank. Under the dash we have an oil pressure gauge showing 50 psi. And the water temperature about 160. You can tell this car is tuned for performance. It's very snappy in the throttle response. Nice firm shifts from the automatic transmission. The blower motor works on this car. The radio is an AM radio that looks factory, and that works as it should. Our corners fairly well. Does stay more level than I would have thought in the corners. Kickdown working, as you can hear. That lovely exhaust sound. Black vinyl bucket seats with that center console. A desirable interior. Now the steering wheel is canted a little to the right, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Performing 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.